Hi friends, my name is Milan. In this video, I will explain you exercise 3.2. Okay, so let's start it with question number 1. Write the answer of each of the following questions. Okay, first question is, what is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plan? Okay, so here we have one figure. Now to represent any point on Cartesian plan, first of all we need to draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay, these two lines we need to draw. Okay, out of this two line, horizontal line it is our x-axis and vertical line it is our y-axis. Okay, this is two are the our answers. What is the name of horizontal line? It is x-axis, and name of vertical line it is y-axis. Okay, so this is our answer. Horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis. So horizontal line that is drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plan is called x-axis. The vertical line that is drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plan, it is called y-axis. Okay. Second question. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Okay, these two lines convert the whole plane into four parts. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant, and each part is called one quadrant. Okay, so here what is our question? What is the name of each part of the plan formed by these two lines? So each part is called a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, so this is our answer. The name of each part of the plane that is formed by x-axis and y-axis is called as quadrant. Okay, name first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, then question number 3. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Okay, these two line, that means horizontal line and vertical line. Okay, name of the intersection point, that means this point. This is our origin, right? 0 0. Name of this intersection point, it is origin, and coordinate of origin is 0 0. Okay, so here point where the x-axis and y-axis intersect is called as origin. Okay, so here horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis. X-axis and y-axis divide the plane into fourth part. Each part is called one quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. And the origin is the intersection point of x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Then question number 2. See figure and write the following. Okay, first of all, the coordinates of B. Here one figure is given. We need to write the coordinate of point B. Point B is present here. Okay, first of all, x coordinate. So for that we need to see on the x-axis. Okay, on x-axis we have 5, minus 5. So our x coordinate minus 5. Okay, then for y coordinate we need to see on the y-axis. Right now 2 is there. So y coordinate is 2. So final answer minus 5, 2. Okay, coordinates we need to find here. B is present here. First of all we need to see on the x-axis, because first of all we need to write x coordinate. Here we have value minus 5. So first of all minus 5 here. Okay, then y coordinate we need to see on the y-axis. 2 is there. So y coordinate is 2. Okay, first number represents x coordinate. Second number represents y coordinate. Okay, then coordinate of C. Now first of all, where is point C? Here, right? We need to write the coordinate of C. So we need to write in bracket. First of all, just see the numbers on the x-axis. It is 5. Okay, so 5. Then we need to see on the y-axis. Here we have minus 5. So second coordinate minus 5. Okay, so coordinate of C, 5 and minus 5. Okay, C is present here. First of all, we need to see on the x-axis 5. So we need to write 5, and on the y-axis we have minus 5. So 5 minus 5, this is the answer. Okay. Then question number 3. The point identify by coordinate minus 3 and minus 5. Okay. Minus 3 and minus 5. Both have negative sign. Okay. Both have negative sign. That means this point present in third quadrant. Okay. First of all, minus 3. So x coordinate is minus 3 here, and y coordinate minus 5. It is here, right? Now just draw one vertical and one horizontal line. These two lines intersect at this point. Okay, and this is our E point. Okay, because just see the coordinate of E. On x-axis minus 3 and on y-axis minus 5. That means minus 3 minus 5. So alternately our answer is point E. Okay, the point identify the coordinates minus 3 minus 5. It is E. We need to write the name of the point, right? So minus 3 minus 5. That means point E. Okay, next question. The point identify by the coordinates 2 and minus 4. Okay, so 2, that means we have on a plus x-axis, right? So here we have 2, and second coordinate minus 4, it is on y-axis. Okay, first coordinate we need to see on the x-axis, and second coordinate we need to see on the y-axis. Okay, so on x-axis we need to find 2, and on y-axis we need to find 4. So it is here, right? Now just we need to draw the vertical and horizontal line. These two lines intersect at point G. Okay, so this is the coordinate of point G. Okay, if you think about the coordinate of G, then first of all x coordinate 2 on x-axis and y coordinate minus 4. Okay, so the point identified by the coordinates 2 and minus 4, it is point G. Okay, then abscissa of the point D. Point D is present here. Abscissa, that means x coordinate. Okay, so just see the position on x-axis, it is 6. So our abscissa of the point D is 6. Okay, very easy. Point D is here. Abscissa, that means we need to see on the x-axis. We have answer 6. Okay, so answer of this question is 6. Okay, the abscissa of point D in the above figure, it is the distance of point D from the y-axis. Therefore, we can conclude that the abscissa of point D is 6. Okay, next question. The ordinate of point H. Now, ordinate means, I already explained these things in theory part, right? Ordinate, that means y coordinate. Okay, abscissa, that means x coordinate. Ordinate, that means y coordinate. So first of all, we need to find the point H. It is in third quadrant, right? Now ordinate, that means y coordinate. So we just need to find the value on y-axis. Now on y-axis, the answer is minus 3. Okay, so ordinate of point H, it is minus 3. Okay, ordinate means y coordinate. So we need to see the answers in on y-axis. Okay, H is here. On y-axis we have value minus 3. So answer of this question is minus 3. Okay, then we need to find the coordinate of the point L. Okay, we need to write the coordinates of the point L. First of all, where is the L? Here, right? On y-axis. Now, first of all, find the value of L on x-axis. Here it is 0. So x coordinate 0. Okay, first of all, what we need to see? We need to find the value of L on x-axis. Here 0. So our x coordinate 0. Okay, after that, we need to check the y coordinate, right? Now, value on y-axis, it is 5. So y coordinate is 5. This is our answer, 0, 5. Okay. Again, first of all, just see the value on x-axis, it is 0, and on y-axis we have value 5. So coordinate of this point is 0, 5. Okay, coordinate of this point is 0, 5. Next question, the coordinates of the point M. Okay, we need to write the coordinates of the point M. So where is M? Here, right? So first of all, find the value of M on x-axis. On x-axis value is minus 3. Okay, on x-axis value is minus 3. Okay, now we need to find the value on y-axis. On y-axis it is 0. Okay, so minus 3, 0 is the coordinate of the point M. So first of all, x coordinate, so we need to find the value on x-axis, it is minus 3. Then for y coordinate, we need to find the value of this point on y-axis. Right now it is 0, so minus 3, 0. Okay, here just write down coordinates of all the points. Okay, coordinate of all the points. If here we give name A, okay, at this point, then on x-axis we have value 2, okay, and on y-axis we have value 0. So coordinate of this point, that means our A, I randomly give A here, okay. So here value of this point on x-axis it is 2, and on y-axis it is 0. So 2, 0 is the coordinate of our first point A. Then for B, value on x-axis minus 5 and value on y-axis 2. So minus 5, 2. Then this point C. Okay, on x-axis we have answer 5 and on y-axis we have answer minus 5. Okay, so 5 and minus 5. On x-axis 5 and on y-axis minus 5. Okay, on x-axis value 5 and on y-axis value minus 5. So 5 minus 5. Then point D. Here, first of all, on x-axis we have value 6 and on y-axis we have value 2. So 6, 2 is the coordinate of point D. Okay, on x-axis 6 and on y-axis 2. So 6, 2. Then point E. First of all, on x-axis we have answer. First of all, on x-axis we have answer minus 3 and on y-axis we have answer minus 5. So minus 3, minus 5 are the coordinate of point E. Okay, then A, B, C, D, E, F. If we give F here at this point, okay, then the value of this point on x-axis it is 0, right? On x-axis it shows the 0, and on y-axis we have answer minus 3. So 0, minus 3. Okay, first of all we need to see the value on x-axis, it is 0, and on y-axis we have minus 3, so 0, minus 3. Okay, then point G. Here first of all we need to find on x-axis value, right? So value 2. Then on y-axis we have minus 4. So y coordinate minus 4. So 2 minus 4 is the vertex, is the coordinate of the point G. Okay, on x-axis 2, y-axis minus 4. Then H. H is present here. On x-axis we have value minus 5. Okay, and on y-axis we have value minus 3. So minus 5, minus 3 are the coordinate of point H. Okay, then point L. Otherwise we can give here I. Okay, for this point value on x-axis it is 5 and value on y-axis it is 0. So 5, 0. Okay, value on x-axis it is 5 and value on y-axis it is 0. So 5, 0. Then after that we need to find the coordinate of L. Okay, on x-axis we have answer 0 and on y-axis we have answer 5. So 0, 5. Okay, then coordinate of this point M. Now x coordinate it is minus 3 and on y-axis we have answer 0. So minus 3, 0. Okay, so in this way we can find the coordinate of the points. Okay, here our exercise 3.2 is complete. If you have any doubt, so just write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.